Welcome back, dear viewers. Today we discuss the dark side of Ghibli-inspired images and role of teachers to build an ethical society. Studio Ghibli was co-founded by Hayao Miyazaki, Isao Takahata, and Toshio Suzuki in 1985. Their films, like My Neighbor Totoro, Spirited Away, and Princess Mononoke, are more than just animations. They're works of art that shaped childhoods, inspired generations, and set a gold standard in storytelling. I have been a crazy fan of Studio Ghibli since I was a kid. I grew up watching these magical worlds unfold on screen, mesmerized by their detail and depth. But here's the thing, when something is this beloved, people want more. And in today's digital world, that more often comes in the form of Ghibli-inspired images flooding social media. At first glance, it all seems harmless. Who wouldn't want to see themselves in a dreamy Ghibli-inspired landscape? But what if I told you that behind these innocent trends, there's an ethical dilemma that we need to talk about? Who really profits? Many AI-generated Ghibli-style images go viral, attracting millions of likes and shares. But guess what? The original creators, Miyazaki and his team, don't see a single penny. Instead, third-party businesses, AI developers, and even social media platforms capitalize on this trend. While you may think you're just enjoying a cool Ghibli-inspired image, behind the scenes, someone else is profiting off stolen creativity. The impact on artists and the creative industry. Traditional animators spend years perfecting their craft. Every scene in a Ghibli film is drawn frame by frame with painstaking detail. When AI tools replicate their work in seconds, it devalues their artistry. It sends the message that original work is replaceable, which is dangerous, not just for artists today but for the future of hand-drawn animation, fair compensation, and creative industries as a whole. The role of educators, teachers and university faculty. This isn't just about legal rules, it's about moral responsibility. And that starts with educators. Teachers and university faculty members are the first role models for students. If they don't uphold values like originality, respect for creative work, and ethical responsibility, then how can we expect this from students? Education is more than just textbooks. It's about shaping character. If students grow up thinking that copying art or using AI-generated images without permission is okay, then my friends, we are failing them. A moral responsibility beyond the classroom. So as educators, we should lead them by example. If you are questioning what can we do, then start with these 3 simple steps. 1. Give proper credit for resources. To promote ethical use of creative works. 3. Make students aware of the real-life impact of plagiarism and content theft. By shaping students into responsible digital citizens, teachers hold the power to build a fairer creative world. Imagine spending your entire life creating something unique, something that defines you, only to see it copied and used without your name on it. One day, your work could be replaced with the click of a button. Do we really want to live in a world where creativity is treated as disposable? Let's not take artistry for granted. As elders, mentors, and educators, let's hold hands and guide the next generation toward a more sensitive and ethical society, one that respects artists, their labor, and the originality that makes their work special. If you agree, comment below to spread awareness about the importance of protecting creative work. Let's evolve together into a world that values original artistry. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might be interested in the future of IPR. Stay safe, stay smart, and see you in the next video.